Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best budget espresso machine in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a budget espresso machine that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these budget espresso machines, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
The all-in-one espresso maker. Equipped with the advanced thermoblock heating system, is ready for use in 45 seconds or less. Fill up the front view water tank. Grind your favorite beans to a fine grind using the easy-to-use plug-in electric bean grinder. Select the single shot or double shot filter basket and guide it into the stainless steel portafilter. Using the tamper measuring spoon, fill the filter basket with espresso grinds. Tamp the grinds firmly. Lock the portafilter into the machine and place 1 or 2 of the ceramic cups under the filter holder. Press the on and off button. After a few seconds, the green light will illuminate, indicating the machine is ready for brewing or steaming. Turn the dial to espresso position and your espresso shot will begin to extract. When finished, simply turn the dial back to the middle off setting. EspressoWorks All-in-One set comes with a powerful, easy-to-use built-in steam wand to heat and froth milk to create a delicious latte or cappuccino. The all-in-one espresso and cappuccino maker, brought to you by Espresso.
Alright, let's make some espresso. I'm going to fill the carafe to the 4-cup line. Next, twist off the cap for the water reservoir and pour the water into the tank. For best results, use medium to fine espresso grounds. Pack it in, as this ensures consistent results and better flavor. Place the brew head and simply turn to lock into position. Place the cover on the carafe and align the lid under the nozzle. Turn the knob to espresso and it'll take a few minutes to heat up and brew. For a fancier coffee experience, you can easily turn your espressos into a cappuccino. Simply fill your pitcher with cold milk, place directly under the steam wand, and turn to steam. The steam wand quickly warms and froths milk so you can easily turn plain espresso into a latte or cappuccino. To prepare a cappuccino, simply pour in 1/3 cup of espresso with an equal part of warm milk and then top off with foam. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher safe parts so you can get back to doing what's important.
Congratulations on the purchase of your DeLonghi Pump Espresso machine. Let's get ready to set it up for its first use. Carefully remove the machine from all packaging. Take out the manual and any literature from the top. Remove all accessories from the protective packaging. Carefully remove any tags or protective tape. The accessories which have been included are single and ESC filter basket, double filter basket, and scoop. Plug in your machine and turn it on. Fill the water tank with fresh, cold water. Close the lid to the water tank. Select the on-off and allow the machine to heat up the water. After a few seconds, the green OK light will come on. Attach the empty filter holder, fitted with any filter basket, to the boiler outlet by connecting and turning securely to the right. Remove the drip tray and place a suitably large cup under the outlets. Select Coffee Hot Water and allow the hot water to flush through the system. When the green light goes off, switch back to On/Off to stop delivery. This process should be repeated several times to ensure that the system is fully primed and the machine is ready to deliver fresh espresso drinks. Remove the cup and replace the tray. Your machine is now ready for normal use.